In this video, I'm going to show you my scalp oiling routine because that's what saved my scalp from psoriasis and seborrheic dermatitis. I generally do a maintenance oiling once a week, and then if I see that I have a flare-up during the week, I'll do it a second time. So if you just received your soothing scalp oil, here's how to use it. Step number 1 is to wash your hands. You want to have clean hands before starting because you don't want to put bacteria on your scalp. And also you want to shake that bottle because you want all the oils to mix together. So step number 2 is going to apply the oil. So every bottle comes with a pipette like this, which makes it super easy to put the oil on the scalp. Now what I like to do is divide my scalp into 4 parts. So the top, the sides, and then the back. It ensures that I apply this oil all over my scalp. Of course, it's not a problem if it's on your hair, that's totally normal, but you really want to apply it on the scalp. For anyone asking how much oil I put between 1 to 2 pipettes per parts. So that's between 8-10 for full treatment. Step number 3 is to gently massage it so you know that you've applied it everywhere on your scalp. So it's very simple, shouldn't take too long, and don't overdo it. So this is how much is left of the bottle after 1 treatment. So it's nearly full. 1 bottle will run you for 1 month to 1.5 months, depending on your flare-ups. Step number 4 is the easiest step because you just have to leave it on your scalp and let it do its work. Here you have 2 choices. The first one is to leave it 3 to 4 hours and wash it off. And the second one, which I personally do, is to leave it overnight and wash it in the morning. But if you do decide to leave it overnight, you should protect your pillowcase with a towel. Now you're done with your scalp oiling routine. The last step is to wash your hair. And for this, I would suggest you use our natural shampoo bar. Remember, you need to wash at least 2 to 3 times to really get rid of all the oil. Now remember, this oil blend has antifungal, antibacterial, and soothing properties because you want to reduce yeast overgrowth, you want to maintain a healthy scalp microbiome, and you want to lower inflammation so your scalp can repair itself. That's super important. All right, you're done. You're all set. You can now start doing your scalp oiling routine. And if you want to read through the steps, we've written them down below.